The most significant worldwide problems when spray drying powders and the solutions. Safety issues. Cause of problem. Radial O-ring tearing due to assembly. Conventional radial seal systems can suffer from O-ring drag and tearing during assembly, compromising critical sealing. Solution. Spray-dry axial seal design. Click-and-dry axial O-ring design can only reach sealing face when the cap is fully engaged to body. No dragging and tearing during assembly means less risks of leakage. It's easy to join the nozzle revolution. Reduce nozzle buildup and achieve longer run times. Improve powder quality by reducing scorched particles. Improve hygiene with easy to clean cap internals. Get longer wear part life and eliminate breakages. Save money and reduce operating costs up to 60%. Click and Dry. It's how spray dry innovation is done.